But boy, they can't bite you, they're terribly strong. It's when I am ready to kiss him goodnight I know how those whiskers can bristle and bite. His head's very shiny, all bare on the top. He uses his handkerchief just like a mop. He tells me that once he had ringlets of red, but lost them from standing too much on his